Hello guys, welcome to our channel. Today I am going to show you how to edit about in Facebook page. Okay, so let's get started. Then first of all, click on Facebook app and tap on menu option. Okay, then shows your Facebook page. Okay, after that tap on top left profile, then click on edit option. Just tap and edit your profile picture and avatar. Scroll down, then cover photos, then your about option and tap on details. Click on edit and customize your digital creator page category. Just tap on and choose any option, then blogger, then save. Okay, then change your category page. Okay, scroll down, then contact info. Okay, and scroll down, then always open and add email at service area, then all of option to edit about in Facebook page. That's all. Thanks for watching. Please like, comments and subscribe. Thank you.